Alright, so I just got a package from SocratesMTG. Very well packaged. He sent me 2 Japanese booster packs, and it looks like there's at least a top loader in here. So let's crack it open and see. Overall well packaged. It came in a bubble mailer with this cardboard backing. So wrapped up in an additional. Alright, so we got Team Rocket. Ooh, Lugia B-Star. Nice. And then this is Heat something. I should know that. But this is what is going to be Destined Rivals. And a Ludicolo. So I've been looking for a Ludicolo for a little bit. And I spoke to Socrates at the Super Jersey Comic-Con or Comic Expo. Mentioned I was looking, and that was really nice of him to include that. Alright, well, let's crack these open and see what we get. We're going to save that one for last. Man, these are always so hard to break open. Alright, no hits. Nice pack luck. Oh, I see something in there. Oh. Hey, an EX card. That'll do. All right. Great little care package from Socrates MTG. Make sure to give him a follow.